make monsters today. How we're gonna make monsters? So, you need, first of all, paper. Say, can I have paper, please?
Can I have paper, please?
Yes, you can. Here you go.
Can I have paper, please?
Yes, you can. Here you go.
Can I have paper, please?
Yes, you can.
Can I have paper, please?
Yes, you can. Here you go. And I have paper too. And I do have markers. What color do you want?
I want the marker, the red marker.
The red marker. Here you go.
I want the blue marker.
The blue marker. Here you
I
go.
want the orange marker.
Here you go.
I want the black marker.
The black marker. Okay, I got that. Okay, the black marker. I'll have the purple marker. So, first on our paper, let's draw a head, okay? Let's draw a head. Just the head, okay? A circle, basically. Just the head. Here we go. Okay, just a head like this. Cool, and now, put the cap on your marker and pass your drawing to the person on the left. Here you go. Thank you. Now, let's continue. So, let's draw a torso. Okay, a torso from the neck to the belly and no arms, okay? A torso. Let's draw a torso. Something like this. Something like this. Okay, excellent. And excellent job, guys. Excellent. Now, let's pass it on here. Let's pass
it.
Excellent. Okay. Ooh, you do have a lot. I'll take that. Give it to you. Great job. Now, Alicia, you decide what are we going to draw? The legs, the arms, the eyes.
We're gonna draw the eyes.
Okay, the eyes. Alright, let's draw the eyes. Go crazy, go crazy. Eyes, okay. And that's it. That's it. Here you go. Here you go. I'll take this. Okay, use it. Let's draw the arms. Remember the monsters. Let's draw the arms. I mean, okay. Yes, and let's pass it. Okay, now.
Let's draw legs.
The legs. Legs. I'll draw giraffe legs. Just very legs. Okay, let's draw. And let's pass it. Pass it, pass it, pass it. Oh, and what happens? Aha! You get your original drawing back. So, show the camera what you have. What monsters we have. Oh, cool monsters here. 6 arms, 4 eyes. Cool monsters, guys. Good job! Excellent! Thanks for watching. Bye!